illegals. They're trying to get lawyers. They're trying to put lawsuits on these companies. Meanwhile, what they're trying to do is create a distraction so we don't take advantage of the cannabis stock resurrection. That's really what's going on. That's the truth. This is your boy Rich, and I'm all about one day we gon' fly, we gon' make this money, we gon' live on life. But we can go get high. I'ma spread my wings, I'ma feel alright. One day we gon' fly, we gon' make this money, we gon' live on life. But we can all get high. I'ma spread my wings, I'ma feel alright. Shooters can't take this down. It's the time to buy and put your money in. Let the profits maximize. We the people stay true, we don't stand for lies. Canada, we the leader for the legalized. Herb be the cure for all the sick and all the broken. We wanted this for years and they thought we were joking. Nah, we were always patient. Cannabis for you and me and all the nations. So all my brothers and all my sisters go on and light it up. Who wanna take it to the head when the times are tough? I know we buying in the red, that's a sign of blood. Don't panic, we gotta manage, the time is us. And I don't care for the lefts and all the market makers. But I swear they nuts, I call them salty haters. Big pharma trying to get in for a piece of it. Because they know the medication, I don't believe in it. I'm so happy it's over, all the prohibition. And now we here, it's Rich TV, the coalition. There's no locking and stopping because we on a mission. Teach the people they spread their lies, it's a contradiction. You want to make money, invest in the top cannabis stocks in Canada and the United States that are revenue generating. Invest in the best, because the best is blessed. This is your boy Rich. Peace. If you're waiting, you're watching, this is the cannabis stock revolution. It's true. Get ready for the resurrection. Peace.
As predicted. Predicted this. Big coins.
That's a big short. Stop acting like a big dork. I'ma get this spot, no lie. I need a big fork. I know about the tactics. The short is making money off the people's back. It's horseshit. I'm telling you, take caution. Everything is so corporate. I'm trying to make enough money to give to all the poor kids. And that is what the herb is for. Helping people feed the poor. All we need is life, so stop thinking that all you need is more. And now we here, but our past, yeah, we can't forget. It's time to grow, and you know we getting out of debt. One day we
Gon' fly.
we gon' make this money, we gon' live on life. But we can all get high. I'ma spread my wings, I'ma feel alright. One day we gon' fly. We gon' make this money, we gon' live on life.
Listen to the words.
We can all
Listen to the words.
spread my wings, I'ma feel alright. The real Wolf of Wall Street loves cannabis stocks. Jordan Belfort believes in cannabis stocks. The new Wolf of Wall Street loves cannabis stocks. Rich TV Live loves and believes in cannabis stocks. The question is, do you believe in cannabis stocks, and will you achieve ultimate wealth through the cannabis stock revolution? It's truth.
What it's all about. That's what it's all about. I mean, who else predicted that the cannabis stocks would explode? Who else told you guys that it was a buying opportunity? Who else told you guys that this would be a cannabis stock resurrection? Who else told you guys that we would have a monster January in the cannabis stocks other than your boy? And it's all come true. So I'm not surprised. I'm not surprised with any of it. So what I want to do, since I'm back now in the saddle, just want to go through all the picks. I want to go through your picks. I want to know what's hot, what's not, what's popping. Let's just go through it. Getting set up here. I'm still on Dominican time. Still on Dominican time. But if you got some picks, give me your picks. If there's something that's moving today, I want to know. I want to know what's moving. Okay? You got to let me know what's popping. You got to let me know what's moving, what's shaking, and we'll bring it up. We'll analyze it. We'll talk about it. We'll inspect it. We'll dissect it. That's what we're going to do. That's what we're going to do right now. That's what we're going to do right now. Getting back in the saddle here. And let's see what's popping. What's shaking. And we'll bring it up. We'll analyze it. Talk about it. Let's see here. In the meantime. We made this song because I didn't want people to panic sell. When everything was going down, I didn't want everyone to panic sell. So we had to create this song. Shout out to Ill Kid. Panic, don't panic. FSD? Is it poppin'? I'm trying to get the swing of things. You love the green, but you hate the red. It's like you love the sex, but you hate the head. There's no difference. I finish all of your dinners. That mean I'm taking your places. Don't mistake that you are beginners. You miss me, rinse and repeat. It's Rich TV. You miss me, I'm the one, Jet Li. It's time that we get popping out. I ain't never stopping now. You would think I'm floating in the open way. I cop a cloud. You should even shop around. You should buy a pair of boots. Haters is my stomping ground. This is how the market goes. Round and round we go. Where we stop, we just don't know. Don't panic, don't panic. Why you spend up all your dough? Just sit back and watch the show. Pray that you'll just strike some gold. Don't panic, don't panic. Market makers are heartbreakers, the soft stages. Bring the heat with Kenny just like it's Las Vegas. You hard haters are all fakers. I mob like Don Corleone, another song. I don't pause, baby. I don't panic, I just mix it up like Shaka Khan. You say chipping on the sides like a soccer mom. And when it's on, I transform like Decepticon. I can tell your whole future looking at the devil's palm. You're too weak, bro, cause you looking at a 52-week low. These are opportunities to seize, yo. No peace, though. I don't cheat. I just move when I cruise to the cheat code. Put the limit in. Stop it if you have to. This is mathematics for addicts to lads too. Rich TV live. He a swell guy. He'll teach you how to buy low when you sell high. Yeah, I get money cause it's all sweet. You're looking at the real Wolf of Wall Street. Yeah, I get money cause it's all sweet. Yeah, you're looking at the real Wolf of Wall Street. This is how the market goes. Round and round we go. Wow. FSD Pharma is on full alert. Woo! It's popping. It's popping. Wow, look at this. Look at FSD Pharma. We're going to mark it here, 29 cents on January 28th. This is the 1 month chart. You could see that we are now at 35.5 cents. We just hit 36.
Want to get paid faster? Send an invoice with QuickBooks.
Wow. FSD Pharma is moving. Wow. Put FSD Pharma on full alert. It's true. It's true. It's true. It's true. It's good to be back, people. Nah, man. I didn't buy anything yet. I just want to see all the pics with the people. Afria is over $10. Afria is popping. Afria is popping. I told a lot of you guys about MediFarm Labs yesterday. Yo, these guys are beasts. I also told you guys about Standard Lithium. They've been popping too. I don't think Aurora will ever be stable. It's always going to be up and down. Love Afria. Love Aurora. Love MediFarm Labs.
And so I think trade.
So, looks as though we're green so far here early. And just looking at the news. Some news for Saniva. News are just getting started. CBD baby. Believe. Yeah, I like Believe. Rivers is down slightly. But as you can see, overall, we've had a very good month. Let's take a look at this month. As predicted. Look at this. What a month, eh? So it's just consistently been climbing all month. Fantastic month of January. Hopefully you guys have been profiting and taking advantage of this. Let's see if we see any big news. Green Growth Brands has got news. Organigram surpasses 1 million pre-rolls. Kronos. Kronos has been on fire. Breathe. All across the board so far to start the day. Aurora is climbing. Let's go, ACB. Canopy is climbing. Canopy at $64 in Canada. Wow. Tetro Bio Pharma. TBP. Put it on full alert. It's on fire. Facebook. Woo! Facebook. Wow. Up 11%. Green Growth Brands up 5.94%. Everyone was talking trash about Green Growth Brands yesterday. Woo! Right back up today. Yep. On fire. Green Growth Brands. So many people talking trash because they had a dip. That was just a buying opportunity. Like, this company's going anywhere but up. Look at that pop. That's a big pop. This company's not going anywhere but up, man. I think they've already proven that, but for some reason there's still so many non-believers. So many non-believers. It's funny.
The future of work is understanding the power of connecting space and people. We work to design, build, and operate your perfect workplace.
Wow, Afria is moving, people. It's climbing. Now at $10.43, as predicted. I told you guys it was undervalued. But telling you guys, man. Oh my goodness. Hold on.
This is a cannabis stock revolution. It's true. Rich TV Live, we bring you the picks and the hits. If you ain't watching, you definitely need to watch it. You don't want to come with kids. It's the rich claim. One move and have you fucking leaning like a kickstand. Out to get money, not the funny, it's a sick plan. You can't perform it into shows like 60 grand. Riding like a Tony Hawk. God, I'm a big man. Trying to get a mansion with the pool. Some big land. Step into the jungle, you can take it. Quicksand. Trolls for the haters. Damn, at a distance. Home team west. I'm crooked like a bad dentist.
SCYX moving this morning. Let's go. Oh my goodness. You guys are making me laugh. Afria is climbing. Huge is on fire. Look at this. Afria is climbing live. Right here. Right in front of us. SCYX. I'm back, man. I'm back. Aurora Cannabis, Afria. Invest in the best, because the best is blessed.
Sit down for the main attraction. Inside the game, roll the dice, and we play for action. Subscribers, throwing by the daily. You try to knock the kid, oh my god, you must be crazy. Until I be gorillas, and eagle with the vision. Amanda out in Polygon, Kenny with precision. Andrew out in Phoenix, Jordan with the big split. Rich is the creator, in the rhymes are with you, kid.
Listen.
What they don't understand is that the more they hate, the higher we elevate.
Oh, man. Yo, Ill Kid, man, if you're watching, we need new tracks, bro. We need some new tracks. All of this has been predicted. All of this has already been predicted. Oh, is ACB taking a fall now? Woo! What is this?
Shorty, let me take it to the party. Let me pour up in the drink, just a little bit of quantity. She hit up one time and put back up on the dance floor. She love my rich heart, why? Cause I'm man's poor. I told her you can grind some more. You can drop it down low, then bring it up slow. Well, she taking shots, loving life, all good. Music so loud, we about to wake the neighborhood. She love music, they don't wanna live a fast life. Energy's popping, cause she never had a bad night. She love twisting and turning, dancing and making her earning. Her life is never born home at 4 in the morning. Yeah, I can take you there, you'll never be alone. I'ma be right there. I hold you close, I'ma always care. Don't worry about your past, it's a brand new year. I knew a one guy named was
Facebook. Wow. Killing it. Facebook's just killing it. Oh, oh, oh. C-Web. Charlotte's Web now back to $20. Wow. Up 6.66%. The mark of the beast. Yo, Joey Rocket, what's up, bro? I'm not buying and selling anything today, man. I'm still in recovery mode, man. I've been traveling a whole day. I'm just looking at the markets with the people. Pull up selector. Pull up selector. Wow, AMD has been on fire. Something fierce. Yo, AMD. Wow. My goodness. Strong buy, strong buy, strong buy, strong buy. AMD. L buy. Hey, you guys keep talking about L buy. Let's see. What do we got here?
GMC Terrain. The SUV that's as smart as it is capable. A smart all-wheel drive that's ready for virtually any road. By Rich TV Live.
Oh yeah, Leaf Buyer. Leaf Buyer Technology is up 16%. Nice pick. Nice pick. Up 18%. Woo-wee. My opinion about Wayland. I like him. This is a serious move here by Leaf Buyer. It's an impressive move. Lots of green today. BLPG. One of your boys' picks. Climbing 10% today. Let's go. Some of these penny stocks, they're risky as hell, but they might blow. Flex Pharma. Drop the symbols, guys. Give me the symbols. Give me the symbols. Give me the symbols. Slang worldwide, eh? SLNG. Slang worldwide. It's a new one for me. Which one is Cannabis Growth's newest company? Been looking at Fate. I like its channel right now. Pretty predictable-ish for now. Fate. Fate Therapeutics? Is this the one you're talking about, Joey? SLNG is, eh? Oh, wow. Thank you, Big Zini. I'll take a look at it. Fate. $15 stock, eh? Add Fate. Looks pretty good, Joey. Strong buy, strong buy, strong buy. Launched 2 days ago, eh? No. I don't know about that portable vape. FLKS. Yeah, like what's FLKS? Some kind of penny stock, right? Flex Pharma? Yeah, I mean, this looks like crap. Why are you looking at this? What is this? Wow, Huge is on full alert at 36 cents, up 10%. Wow. Huge is having a monster day. Look at that power. Cold concrete. Wow, Hip H. All you guys have been liking Hip H. Hip H having a monster day, up 14%. Wow, wow, wow. BLPG, Blue Line Protection, is climbing, up 15%. Tree Knowledge, having a big day, up 14%. Facebook keeps climbing, guys, now up 11.75%. I say pardon? Facebook, wow. Unbelievable. Wow. Chiron Life Sciences, KHRN, just keeps going higher and higher and higher. Now at $2.53, up 7.66%. This bad boy just keeps climbing. Yo, what's up, Troy Smith, man? Yeah, man. I'm not fully back, kind of here in person, but still just, you know, still kind of just getting back into it slowly. Chiron Life Sciences, look at all those strong buys. 5-minute chart, strong buy. 15-minute chart, strong buy. 30-minute chart, strong buy. Hourly chart, strong buy. Daily chart, strong buy. Monthly chart, strong buy. Yeah, it's got some power. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. Yeah, I missed you guys too, man. I missed you guys too. I missed you guys too. I'm only half here, but I'm here. Slowly adjusting, acclimating back to Canada. How reliable are these ratings? These ratings are, you know, they're just ratings. I mean, anything could change, right? Like news could come and a stock could blow, or bad news could come and a stock could go down. So the ratings are strictly just ratings. It can go up or down. I use all these tools. They're all free indicators, but they're not guarantees of what's going to happen in the future, right? The key is to really look at the company's financials, look at the company's news, get to know the companies, get to know their chart, get to know their trading patterns, start to really identify what the bottom is of these stocks, just like in cryptos, Joey. And but you know, I use all these indicators as tools, but I don't buy or sell based on the indicators. I buy or sell more on my gut. Wow, look at Rivers, eh? Rivers has been on some kind of run. Rivers has been on some kind of run. Look at all those strong buys. At $5.75 now. I told you guys they are Canopy 2.0, and it's exactly what they are. They are Canopy 2.0. And look at NEO. A lot of guys were hating on NEO. Look, they've been climbing up 5%. $7.85 now. All the strong buys. Yeah, what is the new company pot? What is it? Which company is it? I heard that they did some type of draw to decide who's going to get that company. Look at Afria. Unbelievable. Look at Rivers. Rivers has been on some kind of run, man. What a run for... Look at this. Look at this run for Rivers. You want to talk about a run? In the last month, they have climbed from... It's crazy. In the last month, they've climbed from $3.05 all the way to $5.75. So they're up almost 100% in the last month alone. Rivers is on full alert. It's on full alert. Anyone who's watching me, I've kept saying it over and over and over again. I said Aurora. I said Afria. Those two right now, those are just two you gotta have. You gotta have it. Now, if you can't have Canopy growth because it's just so high, what's the next best thing? Rivers. Canopy Rivers. It's Canopy 2.0. And since Canopy's at 60 plus in Canada and they got the blueprints, what do you think's the next what do you think is the next best thing? Clearly, Canopy Rivers, which obviously it's proving itself to be the next best thing. Now at $5.67. Let me remind you guys. 2 years ago, Cannabis growth was at $5. I'm just saying, 2 years ago, Cannabis growth was $5. And what is Canopy Rivers? Canopy Rivers is Cannabis growth's opportunity to invest in America, to acquire assets in America, to grow in America. We love America. We know America is going to be a huge market for cannabis, one of the biggest in the world, if not the biggest. So if Rivers is going to focus in America, then Rivers is going to be blessed. So I'm not surprised by this. Anyone who knows me, anyone who's been watching knows I've been talking about Rivers and AUSA for quite some time. AUSA is trading much lower than Rivers, just like Aurora is trading much lower than Cannabis growth. So, I mean, I don't know what else to say, but it's a good company. And the results speak for themselves. Up 100% in a month. Can't really go wrong there. What else, guys? What am I missing? What's popping? I want to know what's popping. What is popping today, everybody? So many good companies. Big companies. Neo having a big day. Facebook having a big day. FSD Pharma having a big day. HipH having a big day. BLPG having a big day. Look at Facebook, now up 12%. Yo, I gotta pull up Facebook, man. It's crazy. It's absolutely crazy what Facebook is doing today. What is going on? Facebook is popping. Facebook, guys. Facebook is popping. Now, why do you think Facebook is popping? I'll tell you guys why. Look at that. Woo! Facebook surges after Q4 earnings beat as stories focus wins over critics. So, everybody knows I love Facebook. Everybody knows I love social media. Everyone knows I love technology, advertising. This is an advertising giant. These guys have so much money in the bank. They got so much money in the bank. So I'm not surprised anytime Facebook makes a move because companies with cash in the bank will win. Cash is king. Facebook's got the money. This is what it comes down to. This is what I keep saying to you guys, man. You're going to invest in these undervalued companies, penny stocks that don't make any money, or you want to invest in a company that actually makes money. Facebook makes money. And that's why they're popping. So it's the same thing with the cannabis stocks. You want to invest in good companies, invest in companies that are making money, okay? Invest in the companies that make the most money. I'm going to talk to you about a company that's making a lot of money. MediPharm Labs, okay? So MediPharm Labs, I'm going to give this out to Sabino. Sabino, one of our members, one of the guys that I talk to every day about trading. I'm part of a WhatsApp group with him. He told me, Rich, you got to look at Labs, MediPharm Labs. They made $10 million in revenue in December alone. I said, pardon? $10 million in December alone? He's like, yep. So, I love this company. It's a company that you guys got to put on full alert. I think that this is a company that's going to be a monster because they are making money. They're making money. So, put it on your full alert. Put it on your watch list. Put it on your radar. These guys are making $10 million a quarter, and they're still trading under $2. I just see huge things for these guys. Massive, massive things. And I like to find the winners before they explode. This could be one of those winners that just explode. So I'm going to give you time to put it on your watch list. Labs. L-A-B-S. MediPharm Labs. MediPharm Labs. Put on your watch list. Put it on your watch list. Put it on your radar. Let's look at their 1-year chart. So it's been a little higher. It's been a little lower. Put MediPharm Labs on your watch list.
Cause in the end, you can't take this money with you. Persons under trees wrapped up with a big bow. See the smiles on the children, this is what we here for. Papa need a new pair of shoes. Watch me roll the dice, enjoying every minute. No, you make this the fucking life. Sitting by the fire, you know, sipping on a few beers. I'm wishing everybody Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. It's not like you don't care, feet on the floor.
Vita, VIDA, up 15%.
Laughing by the tree, oh my God, my family killing me. Talking about Santa, how we coming down the chimney. You know, reindeer on the rooftop. Chill, got his nose red, get it.
Wow. Chiron Life Sciences keeps going higher. James E. Wagner, up 5%. Planet 13, up 3%. C-Web, up 5%. AMD, up another 5%. Oh. Am I still bullish on Future Farm Technologies? Not really. Not really. Halo. Yeah, Halo's one of the picks that's up today. Halo up 10%. Halo Labs. Strong buy, strong buy, strong buy, strong buy. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, Chiron Life Sciences has been just on some type of tear. Let's look at his chart. KHRN. Chiron Life Sciences. Wow. Look at this. My goodness.
Own a fitness studio? And exhale.
Do you?
The easiest way for new customers
You want a fitness
to find
studio?
more classes is the Mind Box.
Cannabis stocks and CEO interviews brought to you.
This is one that you got it. Ooh, you winning. Let's look at the 3-month chart. Woo! My goodness. The low is 121. We are now at a 52-week high at 259. Wow. What a move. What a move. December 17th. It's at $1.21. That's a good month. Wow. Would I sell at these levels? Anytime you're up 10% or more, you got to think about selling. Anytime you're up 10% or more, you have to think about selling. This is TradingView. This is TradingView. This right here is investing.com. This right here is Marijuana Index, where I get a chance to see the whole market and see how much everything is up. Currently we're up. Let me just refresh that. So we are up right now across North America. In Canada, we are up. Whoa, Rivers making its move. Wow. Look at Rivers. It is climbing. I'm putting Rivers on full alert. It is climbing as we speak. What a move for Rivers. Wow, look at that 5-day chart. It just keeps going higher. I like crop. I was one of the first ones to ever bring you guys crop. Yeah, crop looks like it's a roller coaster. Up, down. Up, down. It's a roller coaster. So, if I was buying this, I've been looking to buy around 28 cents. And every time it would pop to 37, 40 cents, I'd be looking to sell. I heard a rumor that Huge, a rumor that Huge will partner with PREV. Yeah, it might. Possible. I mean, anything's possible in this marketplace, right? Anything is possible in this marketplace right now. There's so much partnerships, there's so many deals. Dynacert looks like it's ready to move up. I haven't seen Dynacert in so long. They've been dead forever. DYA, Dynacert, 32 cents. Well, it's definitely done a nice climb here. From 20 cents to 30 cents. Yeah, you might be right. You might be right. Hit a low of 17 in December. Interesting. And currently at 32.5 cents. So yes, there's definitely a lot of buying pressure here on Dynacert. If you guys don't have Dynacert on your watch list, when will ACB finally get a partner? 6 months? I don't know. I don't know. I love T-God, man. T-God's always been one of my best picks. Not surprised it's been doing well. And yeah, T-God is one of the better companies out there, for sure. And still at a reasonably good price. At $3.45 right now, down 3.9%. So this might be a buying opportunity for T-God again. It's underneath the IPO price, which I've said over and over and over again. Every time it goes below that IPO price, it's signaling a buy, in my opinion. Yeah, you know, I like Oxley, but Oxley needs to get some revenue. Oxley has no revenue. This is the problem with Oxley. It's the problem with T-God. These companies need revenue. Bankers, institutional investors, market makers, short traders, hedge funds, they want to see revenue. You ain't got no revenue, they ain't that excited. You got revenue, they'll get excited. So they want to see, it's like, show me the money. You know what I mean? They want to see the money. So that's what's up with that. Wow, BLPG now up 20%. It's popping. That penny stock is popping. Wow, BLPG's number one on the list now, eh? Blue line protection. They got some news, or what's popping here? Why is this popping? 2.46 million in volume. Envirotech ETII up 19%. Facebook now up 13% at $171. Wow. Do I think that ORHOF will uplist to the NASDAQ this year? They could. They're a good company. Yo, what's up? How's everybody doing today? Yeah, I love Supreme Cannabis. They've been doing really, really well. Obviously, have a deal with Wiz Khalifa. I love that deal. I love everything about them. I got nothing bad to say about them. Except they talked about doing a reverse. As soon as these companies talk about doing a reverse, man, they fall out of favor with me. That's the biggest fear that I have with them. But outside of that, I like everything about them. Canopy Rivers is flying. Now at $5.90. Wow. Up 7.47%. They are on full alert. Put Canopy Rivers on full alert. So I say, don't panic, man. Don't panic. Don't panic. Yeah, I don't like reverses, man. Not a fan. Not a fan of reverses, man. I don't know why these guys talking about reverses. It's crazy. What it is? Kid. Cloud Ninja on the beats. Weed MD, WMD, up 4%. Love CanTrust. CanTrust up 2%. TRST. Jet Li.
It's time that we get popping now. I ain't never stopping now. You would think I'm floating in the open way I cop a cloud. You should even shop around. You should buy a pair of boots. Haters is my stomping ground.
So funny. I don't know if you guys remember, but before I left, I told you guys there was a gold company I liked, B2 Gold. It was at $2.90. I told you guys, B2 Gold, B2 Gold. Bam! $3.14, up 2.45% today. Strong buy, strong buy, strong buy, strong buy. Who brought it to you first? Who brought it to you guys first? It's true. 52-week low. It's funny when I look at these prices. All these prices are higher than when I left. All of them. Told you guys Curaleaf was one of my top picks. Bam! Now at $8.35. Look at all those strong buys. Strong buy, strong buy, strong buy, strong buy, strong buy, strong buy. Man, oh man. How low do you think T-God will drop once Aurora is finished selling some of their shares? Like I said, anything underneath the IPO price of $360 is a buy for me. You got a crypto rap song? Send it to me, bro. Send it to me on WhatsApp. Do I like pure global cannabis? Yes, I do. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. It has a lot of potential. Lots of potential. Whose stuff is the best in the legal market? Let me scroll up here. Broken Coast Cannabis is going to bring the crazy revenue for Afria. Yeah, well, Afria, I keep telling everybody, it's a buy. It's a buy. Dirt cheap, and it's a beast. Aurora and Afria are the two best companies right now under $10. And what I tell you guys in my top 10. Cura, MedMan is one that's just falling under the radar. I'm telling you, they will explode. Everything else has exploded except for MedMan. So at some point, MedMan will have their turn. Still cheap at $4.75. I see this bad boy going way higher. Way, 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 way higher. Let's take a look at their 6-month chart. Look at this. So we've seen MedMan as high as $9.50. Currently struggling at $4.75. They haven't had their run yet. These guys are going to go higher, guys. They're going to go way, way higher. You heard it here first from your boy Rich. Yeah, I do like Medicine Man Technologies. Wow, that's good information there, Justin. Thank you. When do you see Green Growth buying Afria? Well, first of all, in order for Green Growth to buy Afria, they have to get to $7. So Green Growth currently isn't there yet. They have a few months. I believe they will get to $7, but you never know in the markets, right? So in order for that deal to be consummated, these guys have to be at least $7. Currently at $5.30. They're not at $7 yet. They've been as high as $6.25. So I think they will get there. They have a lot of incentive to get there. They want to be the biggest. They want to be the best. So I think they'll get there before the deadline. So they still have a little bit of time, a couple months. You know, Justin, that's a very smart way to do it, because if you're going to the dispensaries and you get a chance to see what people like, then you have a better idea of what's going to sell and what's going to do well and who's going to have more revenue. So that's a very smart way to do it. You reduced your Chemistry and M Jardine holdings. Cool, cool. I think both Chemistry and M Jardine are going to be monsters. But that's fine. You got to do what you got to do. Alefia's doing well. Let's see. Down 2% today. I like this company, but yet another company that started playing around with a reverse. Don't like reverse splits. That's why I've been staying away. But I brought you guys this pick first when they were a brand new IPO. It's obviously done extraordinarily well. It's hit a little bit of bumps in the road recently, and now it's starting to climb again. And the only reason why I've stayed away from it is because they talked about a reverse. As soon as a company talks about a reverse, I fall out of favor with them. Vancouver Island has the best weed on the planet. Yeah, it's possible. I know Vancouver has the best weed on the planet, that's for sure. Lots of it comes from the island. Oh, we're going to keep making new tracks, don't worry. From my due diligence of going to the dispensaries, Tweed has got a terrible name. Yeah, but yet, Cannabis Growth is #1, right? So I don't know, how do you explain that? It is the only product that sits on the shelves. From the people I know that are in the cannabis sector, the private cannabis is better than the public cannabis. Currently, by a long shot, the private cannabis is cheaper and better than what the LPs are producing. Because from what I've heard is all of these LPs are building in these massive facilities, and it's really difficult to grow in these massive facilities. If you've ever grown, you know it's better to grow in small spaces than to grow in large spaces. Because if you're trying to grow in large spaces and something goes wrong, you could potentially lose your entire crop. A lot of my people that I know that are in the sector, that are privately in the sector, are laughing at the licensed LPs because their quality is garbage. This is what I hear. I've never bought from a licensed LP. I've never tried anything from a licensed LP because out here in Vancouver, the private sector is flourishing. The public sector is laughed at. I'm just telling you guys the truth, man. Broken Coast and 7 Acres are the only ones pumping out good product. Well, I got to try Broken Coast and 7 Acres product because I've heard that nobody has good product And I've heard that everybody's still buying from the private sector. Wow. Chiron Life Sciences now at 265, up 12.77%. Put Chiron Life Sciences on full alert. KHRN on full alert. They are popping. They are popping. They're popping like popcorn. What else we got? What else we got? Anything else that's popping? Tree Knowledge, TOKI up 8%. Rivers up 7%. I think we talked about all the big ones. Oh, you used to freestyle, Joey? You sent me the link where? On WhatsApp? Let's hear it. Let's hear it. Man, Joey, crypto's dead, bro. So dead, man. Sad. It's like the whole industry's dead, man. All right, we're going to play Joey Rocket's song right here. Let's see. Why can't... One second. Let's go. Let's check this out. I just hit the like button.
Crypto Capital Venture and Litecoin Moses for the inspiration. I'll admit this crypto life is a bit crazy, but I believe we are on the verge of greatness. I believe we are the visionaries who don't follow the herd. We think for ourselves and don't conform to the sheep mentality. We see beyond the horizon, past what's in front of us like the haters and the naysayers. We are in this together and this is our time and our reality. Hodl it! BTC was the first to set it off, decentralized, but now the scene got soft, depending on these ETFs and ETPs, please. Don't even get it twisted, cause shitcoins get delisted, and just in case you missed it, 2009 was the year that things changed.
Shitcoins get delisted.
The blockchain, it rocks, man. Status quo can't stay the same. All I need from you is your basic attention. Crypto safer than your pension. Not to mention decentralized realized gains. The legacy system is getting drained. Enough pain to win the same thing over and over again is insane. I'm not a whale, I'm a shark. King BTC be the benchmark. The bear cycle's how you mitigate and navigate on this hard in these crypto waves like Noah. Genesis 6 through 9, remember this. Respect goes to the early adopters, yes they fought, and old resistance became support. Like Ice NYSE, slithery diamondback, now they consent. Crypto's electrified like ETN. Check the first and the last three before you send. Rubini crashing down like Mount Gox. Fuck stop, like Spain chain, the populace just might bust. People scared of crypto, it's easy though. A week ago, I bought a Misigo. And Litecoin's the right coin. I just joined Charlie B in greatness. Your cash is tasteless like H2O. Fugazi like Pyrite. Fool's gold, you should have sold. Now you hold cement idle. Satoshi Nakamoto, my role model. Set, don't paddle. Show respect to the devs. They full throttle. Python squeeze like Bollinger Bands. I'm staking my apostle in this decentral land. All I need from you is your basic attention. Crypto safer than your pension. Not to mention decentralized realized gains. The legacy system is getting drained. Enough pain to win the same thing over and over again is insane. We sit back, relax while we talk and pay homage to all the OGs in the space who dropping knowledge. Shout out to the students in dorms who mine in college. I'm double down like crypto twins and Winklevi, trading in the range on exchange of Gemini. My RSI relative strength mimic Komodo. Dragon chain like Spawn, I'm hot like Holo. No FOMO, Monero on the low like Yahtzee. You can call me Crypto Poppy, unexplainable.
Crypto Poppy.
Or 618, don't be late cause money can't buy you time. So get in line for the crypto vine before you get left behind. Bitcoin is ruled the boom, hodlers look like harpoon. Hoping for the institutional monsoon, asking when moon. Soon like the inevitable annihilation of Dr. Doom. It's raining salt like Nusret in Orlando. Burst metal shots similar to Rambo and Lambo on the crypto Isla del Encanto. Signing off from Puerto Rico. Hold the weight, no rush. Humongous like my crush, I'm Naomi Brockwell. I rocked well, open all your crypto wallets swell. Will we see 20K soon? I don't know, it's hard to tell. But I'm in profit.
20K.
This is Joey Rocket, signing off for real this time. I got a trade to find. Seriously, people, don't get left behind.
Oh, Joey, that was good, bro. Respect. I like it. I like it. I like it. Well, if crypto doesn't ever make it, bro, then you always have an opportunity to become a hip-hop artist. There you go, buddy. Nice song, man. I like it. Yeah, I don't know about crypto right now, man. It's just, I don't know, man. I don't know. I'm liking the cannabis stocks. That's all I can say, man. But yeah, crypto, you know, when crypto's moving, we'll be there. But until then, we ride in the cannabis stocks, man. The cannabis stocks that's my domain. That's my domain, brother. That's my domain. We making money right now. We don't gotta wait. We making money right now. Right here, right now, in the cannabis sector. This last month has been amazing. Look at this company here. Canna Royalty, okay? In February of last year, they're at $3. Today, at $9.38. That means that they've jumped 300% in 1 year. They're like the best company that nobody talks about. Love this company. So much potential. Such a great company. Big revenue. And I've told you guys this. I'm going to tell you guys over and over and over again. The companies with the most revenue are going to do the best. And Canna Royalty is making money. That's why they're doing so well. I'm going to talk to you guys about Kronos Group because everybody wants to talk about Kron. I know they've been doing really well. I think Kronos Group is one of the most overvalued companies in the sector, along with Tilray, okay? Both Kronos Group and Tilray are making very little revenue. But the reason why Kronos Group has exploded is because they've got a $1 billion partnership, okay? That's why they've exploded. But the revenue is nothing special. Companies like MediPharm Labs are making more money in 1 month than Kronos Group has made in the last 5 months. And yet MediPharm Labs is trading under $2 and Kronos Group is at $24. Does it make any sense? Hell no. But at the end of the day, when you got companies that got $1 billion behind them, they can do whatever the hell they want. Canopy Growth has already shown that, and Kronos Group has now shown that. So we need to pay attention. The next time a company gets $1 billion partner, we need to consider buying it. Because this is the second time now we've seen a company get a $1 billion partnership, an infusion of money, and they've exploded. Kronos Group is an example of that. A company that has almost no revenue trading at $24. I ain't gonna buy it. I was talking about it 2 years ago when it was at $1. It's now at $24. That's a 2,400% return in 2 years if you just held Kronos Group. Insane. Absolutely insane. Any marijuana enthusiast won't touch anything partnered with big tobacco. I don't know if that's true. I don't know if that's true. I think any marijuana enthusiast that wants to make money trading is going to buy whatever can make them money. That's my opinion. But, you know, that's just me, right? What do I know? I just predicted all these stocks first. But I don't know much. I don't know much. I just predicted all these first. You know what I mean? With the help of you, the people. If it wasn't for you guys, none of this would be possible. But because of you, everything is possible. All right, guys. I think we've identified all the big winners today. I think we've talked about it. I think we've identified it. All right. I got more work to do. I'm just kind of getting settled in. And yeah, it's nice to be back. So I love you guys. Thank you guys for everything. I've told you guys this was a cannabis stock resurrection. It is a cannabis stocks resurrection. So let me leave you guys with some predictions, some cannabis stock resurrection predictions. Let me leave you with that. Let's do that. All right. Hold on. Where's that? Where's that big tune? Where's my boy Ill Kid in this big tune? Cannabis stock resurrection 2019. Listen carefully to the lyrics.
And CEO
Listen carefully to the lyrics.
by Rich TV Live.
CBDs is going to be way bigger than THC. I fully agree with that. And your boy's building a CBD company. It's true. Listen.
Get the lawyers that trying to put lawsuits on these companies. Meanwhile, what they're trying to do is create a distraction so we don't take advantage of the cannabis stock resurrection.
I predicted this. This was done in December. Listen to the words. Every one of the stocks I talked about in this song has gone up. Just saying.
Spread my wings, I'ma feel alright. Shooters can't take us down. It's the time to buy and put your money in. Let the profits maximize. We the people stay true. We don't stand for lies. Canada, we the leader for the legalized. Herb be the cure for all the sick and all the broken. We wanted this for years and they thought we were joking. Nah. We were always patient. Cannabis for you and me and all the nations. To all my brothers and all my sisters, go on and light it up. Go on and take it to the head when the times are tough. I know we buying in the red, that's the sign of blood. But don't panic, we gotta manage, the time is us. And I don't care for the lefts and all the market makers. But I swear they nuts, I call them salty haters. Big pharma trying to get in for a piece of it. Because they know the medication, we don't believe in it. I'm so happy it's over, all the prohibition. And now we here, it's Rich TV and Coalition. There's no lock gonna stop it because we on a mission. Teach the people they spreading lies, it's a contradiction.
We want to make money, invest in the top cannabis stocks in Canada and the United States that are revenue generating. Invest in the best because the best is blessed. This is your boy Rich, and we're out. Peace. You're not winning, you're not watching. This is a cannabis stock revolution. It's true. Get ready for the resurrection. I'm out. Peace.
I'm talking Jordan Belfort. Let's open up scenarios. Wolf of Wall Street, and I ain't talking about the Gabriels. The man predicted markets, he knew it was going to explode. He knew it was making money, and he knew the crash of homes. Oh, yeah, these are the big boys. He also predicted the crash of Bitcoins. That's a big short. Stop acting like a big dork. I'ma get this pod, no lie. I need a big fork. I know about the tactics. The short is making money off the people's backs. It's horseshit. I'm telling you, take caution. Everything is so corporate. I'm trying to make enough money to give to all the poor kids. And that is what the herb is for. Helping people feed the poor. All we need is life, so stop thinking that all you need is more. And now we here, but our past, yeah, we can't forget. It's time to grow, and you know we getting out of debt. One day we gon' fly. We gon' make this money, we gon' live all life. But we can all get high. I'ma spread my wings, I'ma feel alright. And one day we gon' fly. We gon' make this money, we gon' live all life. But we can all get high. I'ma spread my wings, I'ma feel alright.
The real Wolf of Wall Street loves cannabis stocks. Jordan Belfort loves the cannabis stocks. The new Wolf of Wall Street loves cannabis stocks. Rich TV Live loves and believes in cannabis stocks. The question is, do you believe in cannabis stocks, and will you achieve ultimate wealth through the cannabis stock revolution? It's true.
All right, guys. Now remember, Rich TV Live is strictly for education and entertainment purposes. Always do your due diligence. Always do your research before you invest in anything that we talk about here on Rich TV Live. Okay. You know, I see so much potential, and if you like this video, guys, smash the like button, comment down below, share the video everywhere. If I win and you win, we all win. It's true. So let's win together. We're a unit. I'll be back. It's true. It's true. It's true. It's true. It's true.
score. Now it's time to watch the layup. Real sleep with yourself. Predicting the shit. We be giving them hits. You kid always dropping the hits. If you ain't watching, I guess you be losing. You winning this shit. I'm playing for the game. Trying to get up on my chain. Made a step out of my way. 50, better get out my lane. No mistake, it's here to stay. Cannabis a giant. Every up is massive. And GB's the lion. Buying all these top stocks. In the future, your ass is retiring. If you on top of your shit, then little kid, you inspiring. Go and subscribe. Go and get live. Rich TV, don't stay on the side. Comment below. Go on a show. Picture hot like I ain't stole. Show me don't play. Don't know what to say. Rich on his grind, making hits all day. Bring what you sold. Go and get go. Pop what is done, you be coming to show. I told you about the markets and there's profits and it's true. If I told you about the largest of the margins and it's true. If I told you about the 52-week lows and highs, it's true. You ain't watching, you ain't winning. Get your popcorn cause it's true. Yeah, I told you about the markets and there's profits and it's true. If I told you about the largest of the margins and it's true. If I told you about the 52-week lows and highs, it's true. You ain't watching, you ain't winning. Get your popcorn cause it's true. Yeah, you can join the WhatsApp. Long as your ass ain't suspect. Always wondering what's next. We all here to gain success. $100 a member. 1 million members. Do the math, I'll do the rap. That's way too much money to mention. We in the green capital. We on the mean avenue. Know what I mean? All that I seen, I got a clean attitude. How could I be mad at you? I mean, how can we be mad at you? Rich TV is free and you still ain't got a wee bit of gratitude. ACB got ABCs, all ducks in a row. Please don't play with me. You say to me that Rich, he just don't know. He can't predict the way the market is. White line from his esophagus. How we got all this confidence. All the shit he's saying is nonsense. Nah, that ain't true. Take a look, now take a move. All the pics all right through the roof. Like through the roof, like through the roof. Nah, you ain't making a cent. Nah, you ain't making a cent. Y'all, if you always a troll, y'all, then you're living a tape. I told you about the markets and there's profits and it's true. If I told you about the largest of the margins, then it's true. If I told you about the 52-week lows and highs, it's true. You ain't watching, you ain't winning. Get your popcorn cause it's true. If I told you about the markets and there's profits, then it's true. If I told you about the largest of the margins, then it's true. If I told you about the 50